Yo, I done 6 shows in a row, so my voice is hurting. Fans wanna hear what you're in person. Oi, oi. She want a man from Brum, but she settled with a boy from Burton. I still see feds on the block.
What's going on, everybody? Product Probes back at you with another knife review, and today we're looking at a TAC Force Keychain skeleton knife. This thing's actually pretty neat. I threw one of my keys. So let's dive into it and let's see what this thing's got. Alright, so if you're wondering why I already have this thing open, it's because I don't have fingernails to get these suckers out. But, well, let me just show y'all, I guess. Since it is a review, I gotta show it closed. But, boom. I'm going to give y'all a close-up on it closed. So, as you can see right here, guys, it's just a skeleton key. But that sucker on your keychains actually does look just like a key. And that is pretty neat. Comes in gold, blue, cadmium, you know, the rainbow, and then, I don't know, like red or something. But, got your eyes right there. But then, your nail nicks. Dadgummit, I should have closed it. That's what I don't like about it. I don't have very good fingernails. Or, I won't say very good fingernails, I just don't have any. I bite them too daggum much. But, the small little drop point blade with your nail nick right there. Boom. And that's what it looks like open. So, I feel like it's blurring out for some reason in this camera. Flip it over. Boom. This is the TF920. So, pretty unique little keychain. It's a cool idea behind it. Sorry about that. So I had it open. I should have went over it, then closed it. But what are you going to do? Boom. Got your little fingernail file right there with a cuticle pusher at the end, which I will never be using that side of it. But this knife seems to be pretty sharp. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and let's go see how sharp this thing really is. You know, for a simple keychain knife, this one I think is going to be pretty sharp. So let's check it out. Right here on the straight down cut. You know, that's actually for a cheap little pocket knife like this, or keychain knife, that wasn't too bad. Let's try it at an angle real quick. So, right here at an angle. A little bit more of a problem catching on the angle, but right down here at the bottom, it definitely has minimal ripping. Now, standard drop point blade on it, so the tip might not be too sharp, but let's check it out. So, you know, this tip is actually sharper than some of the clip points that I have. Get in there, and your cut downs are not great as your normal catch. But overall, guys, for a cheap little keychain knife, this knife, and if you threw an edge on it, is pretty daggum sharp. You know, this thing is actually really sharp. I don't know how long it'll stay sharp, but for something cheap like this, I mean, it's not too bad at all. Now, I can't go get a pocket shot on it because what am I going to do, just put the damn thing in my pocket? Hey, this is what it looks like in the pocket. But I can go put it on some keys. So let's go do that. Let's go see what this thing looks like on a keychain. Alright, got the keys right here. I had no fingernails at all. So what I did is I went ahead and added it to it because it took me forever. Anyway, this is what it looks like on the keys. And guys, it's really not that bad. It does add a little bit more weight than I would want, I guess, with these keys, because I try to do minimal when it comes to keys. But check this out. So, look right here. Boom. That's what it looks like on the keys. And if we were just having it on the table, it doesn't look too bad. So, key. I mean, if you're glancing and you're not thinking knife, you're just thinking, oh, that's a cool key. Look at that right there. From the thing. So, the only thing is, of course, if we're comparing it to a, let's just compare it to a house key or something. You see that? The thickness. from right here. Well, thickness of the knife and then thickness of an actual key. So your thickness and your weight, but guys, that right there, overall, is not too bad when it comes to actually being on a keychain. You know, people will think this is a key. If you get the silver or the gold one, it can blend in. Or you can get the cadmium or the, I think it's blue. I said red, but I think it's blue now. But anyway, not too bad of a little knife. And I tell you what, we can get them, well, yeah, let's just go ahead and get both of them. Let's get the weight and measurements of this. All right, let's get the weight on this thing real quick. So 1.09. So yeah, I was thinking it was going to be about an ounce. Yeah, 1.09. So that's not too bad at all right there. Let's go ahead. Let's grab the measurements on this thing real quick. So fully closed is going to be 2.5 inches with a blade length of 1.5 inches, and fully open we're going to be looking at 4.25 inch. It might be just a tad on the heavier side, you know, for a keychain, but if you don't have a whole lot of keys on, you know, your key ring, add it on there. Look at that, opened it up just fine right there without my nails, but doesn't lock, so be careful of that, because I'll go ahead and just tell y'all, bam, at that point right there when it slams down, make sure your finger's not in the way, because it got mine about a week ago. So be careful with that. But guys, I hope the review helped. If you're thinking about getting it, if y'all want to go check them out, I think you can get like a 4-pack of them for, I don't know, $10, man. I don't know. I just made that number up. But I know you can get a 4-pack of them. So I'll try to find that. Leave a link in the description below. Be sure to check us out every single Thursday at 5:30. We do the Product Probe show. We give out a lot of these and we give them away. So if you wanted to maybe just stop in, test your luck before you buy one. But anyway, appreciate you watching, guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.